Similar to our front legs, our rear legs have an irregular shape. And much like the front legs, I have created a template for the rear legs. And again, like the front legs, we have left this to a oversized length measurement, so our template will not reach the full distance. So we are going to miter saw this down to a finished length of 36 3/16. First, squaring up one end by taking off as little as possible, then setting up a stop block to our 36 3/16 measurement and completing that second cut. We can then set our template on our workpiece. The ends as well as the corners should line up perfectly, as well as the back side should be perfectly flush. We can then trace around our template, making sure nothing shifts around on us. And we'll do this with both rear leg pieces. And when I laid out the template, I also traced the mortise hole location. And with both of those traced, I have two mirror image drawings.